Click on any web browser. Now go to the search bar and type Figma app, download for PC. Now click on the first link in the search result. Then scroll down. If you are a Mac user, then click this link. And if you are a Windows user, then click this link. After clicking on the link below, the download started. After the download is complete, double-click on the application to install it. Then you will need to sign in after the installation is complete. But if you already signed up, then you can log in via web browser. And if you have not created an account, then create one by clicking the link below. Since my account has been created, I will log in with my web browser. Now click here. Then click here. Finally, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Figma app and also successfully logged in.